Top 5 funnel builder in 2026. Have you ever wondered which funnel builder is actually worth your money? With so many options like System.io, ClickFunnels, Kajabi, lead pages, and get response, choosing the right one can be confusing. In this video, I will compare top 5 funnel builders based on features, pricings, ease of use, and who they're best for. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which funnel builder is perfect for your business. So let's get started. First, System.io. System.io is one of the best all-in-one marketing platform available today. It allows you to create sales funnels, website, email campaigns, online courses, blogs, automation workflow, and even affiliate program, all of from one dashboard. It has pros, just like it has a free plan, very beginner friendly, email marketing included, course creation included, automation, and excellent value for money. It also has cons. Funnel templates are fewer than ClickFunnels. Advanced customization is limited. Who is best for? Best for beginners, affiliate marketers, small business owners, and course creators. Second one is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the one of the most popular funnel builder in the world. It designed specially for business that want to maximize sales through highly optimized funnels. It has used template library, advanced funnel features, upsells and downsells, membership site, A/B testing program, and excellent community supports. It also has cons. It's a very expensive as compared to other platforms. Learning curves for beginners, best for experienced marketer, agencies, large business, and high ticket product selling. Third one is